Yo guys, the time is here. We're about to be taking a look at the Nocta Hot Step 2, which is a part of Drake's line, a new signature sneaker that I was all over. As soon as I seen that they shot drop, I said, man, I got to secure these things, man. So let's go ahead and open the box up and check out these Nocta Hot Step 2s, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks so much for tapping into today's video. Something new today, man. We ain't showing no J's, you feel me? No J's today. I had to shed some light on Drake's latest sneaker with Nike, the Hot Step 2s. Me, myself, bro, I've been a fan of, you know what I'm saying, his sneakers that he has branched off with Nike and done, other than, you know what I'm saying, the OVO 12s, OVO 10s. Like, this is his own sneakers that me, myself, man, I really do like. And I told y'all when I showed y'all the first glide joints, I said, man, they moving in the right direction, kind of some futuristic looking sneakers that me, myself, are all over. And I think a couple months, probably a year or two, it's gonna take people to gravitate towards them and kind of shock the culture. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video. If you ain't got nothing to say for your boy, man, please hit that like button. Everybody watch it and go ahead and comment some emojis, something down below in the comment section. Let your boy DeVintage know you are here in full effect, man. So last year I went crazy with the Nocta glides right here. You guys can see I did get the white pair, the triple white joints, and I got the crimson pair, and I told y'all, man, I love them, bro. Super different. I haven't gotten a lot of fits out of them yet, but trust me, stay tuned on the IG. The fits will be coming shortly. Definitely something different that I want to, you know, introduce to the sneaker collection, introduce to the sneaker rotation. And not only did Drake capitalize with these joints, I love them, bro. The glides. We do have the new pair right here, which is the Hot Step 2, man. Go ahead and check out the official size tag, the same box as the glide joints that I released last year. And the official colorway reads Nocta Hot Step 2 total orange and chrome. And I got these in the size 9 because it did look a little bulky. So let's go ahead and get into them, bro. My first time seeing them in hand, and let's go ahead and see what we got, bro. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, bro. Check them out. The Hot Step 2 Nocta joints right here.
I got my Cino this year, killing my ego this year. All for the people this year, only believe in the real. I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real. I'm in control of my feels. You see my highlights and study my real. Yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business.
Hey, and these are definitely what I anticipated. A very, very loud, vibrant sneaker, and they are pretty bulky. I thought they'll be more on the slimmer and, you know, kind of sleek more side of things, but these are actually kind of heavy. I feel like a goddamn pair of foam pods, if I might ask, but these joints are loud, bro. Look at these, bro. Something totally different. And I already know, bro, this is not going to be for the normal crowd that comes to the channel, because we ain't showing J's. These are Drake sneaker, something different. And like I said, I've never seen anything similar to it. Of course, you could probably, you know, say they look like an Air Max or look like such and such, but these are definitely one in its own. It's its own creative, you know what I'm saying, design behind the Hot Step 2s. And if I had to pick between these joints and the glides, hey, bro, I think they can go crazy with the Hot Step 2s, I might ask. It's not a paid promotion. This is all my honest opinion. When I break down sneakers, especially something like this, like I spent my own money on these. I said, bro, I really want these. I seen that they shock drop and I was all over them. But we're going ahead and check out some of the details surrounding these Hot Step 2 Drake joints. So checking out the tongue right here, you do have the same, you know, of course, not the logo right here with the 3 kind of crosses in between the tongue. And you do have your mesh netting on the tongue itself. And then even transitioning down to, you know what I'm saying, lower towards the toe box, you get some more mesh hits. And I'm trying to see, you know what I'm saying, if they are similar to the glides, and they are not. This one right here in itself has like a small little section of the ballistic mesh with a nice chrome Nike swoosh on there. And you transition to the midsole, kind of moving up towards the upper of the shoe. You do have this chrome plate right there with another Nike swoosh, and I believe both sides of them do say Nocta. So you got Nocta right here on the side, and you flip it towards the medial side of sneaker, you get Nocta and the Nike swoosh as well. With the chrome plates, man, I thought that was a nice pop to a nice addition. It's already a loud sneaker. You throw chrome on it, you throw total orange on it, and this is what you get. So not only on the outer and the inner of these Nocta Hot Step 2s, you do get another chrome plate on the back, and it does say G-Tech as well, just like you've seen on on the glide joints that were released last year. So literally, man, chrome on the back, chrome on the outer of the sneaker. You go down towards the midsole, bro. More like towards the outsole, I would say. Something similar to where you get your foam pod. You just got the carbon fiber plate. With these joints, you get a chrome plate on the outsole right here with Nocta branded on it. I'm gonna be super interested in trying these on, so throughout the on-feed portion, I'm gonna let you guys know, you know what I'm saying, how these do actually feel, and if you should go true to size with wearing these Nocta Hot Step 2s. And I'm pretty sure these will be comfortable due to the fact that you do have an air unit. You got your air bubbles down below right here. I can't wait to throw these things on, man. And then checking out the outsoles, bro. Just crazy details, crazy craftsmanship. You have the Nocta, you know what I'm saying, crosses all the way around the shoe. Couple of Nike swoosh. I'm gonna let you guys peep that. And you do have another G-Tech branding on the lower pod of the outsole. You got nothing on the back of the tongue, something I was kind of checking out, seeing if you did have it. So again, man, all in all, I love them. I was all over the drop. As soon as I seen that they were shock dropping, I said, man, I gotta snag them. And I was lucky enough to secure these things. They all sold out now, but hopefully here in the near future, we get more colorways. I think they should keep, you know what I'm saying, following along in that line of the loud colorways, because, you know, that makes it its own, you know, Hot Step 2, Nocta Glide type of vibe. So let me know down below in the comment section, man, if you did secure a pair of the Nocta Hot Step 2s. Again, like I said, I will be adding a lot more colorways to the collection as soon as, you know, Nike unveils some more of them joints. Hopefully they just keep shock dropping them. It's not a crazy huge release. Kind of give it a little bit more of a limited feel and feeling like you own something different than everybody wears. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this quick overview, and I'm gonna throw these joints on feed, so stay tuned for that. But make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new here to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, and leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you enjoy seeing new content like this, bro. We showing you guys some Drake Hot Step 2s, man. Who doing that, bro? I love y'all. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. With all this being said, man, let's go ahead and throw the Hot Step 2 Total Orange joints on feet.
Been bigger this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this, I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my real, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's something to prove. Come from the trench, Cuban links on my neck, tanking, freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel, freeze, running till I miss my season, laid back, geeky, smoking on dope, that diesel, young get gone off the deep end, running till I miss my season, I keep a stack of them blessings, I'm ballin', I'm play calling, they chain on me matching my smile, you know that I stay saucing, I'm sorry, wrist flooded, she drowning. We good on this side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me.